Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share with you guys a super simple salsa recipe. It's so savory, so delicious, and only 5 ingredients. I hope you guys give it a try. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. We will need half an onion cut into thirds, 3 to 5 garlic cloves, and we will be adding jalapenos to taste. Here we have about 9 jalapenos. I will also be throwing in 2 serranos for spice. These are all from my garden, but if you don't want it spicy, you can omit the serranos and just do jalapenos. We will be needing chicken bouillon and 1/4 cup of oil. First thing we're going to do is warm up some oil in a saucepan. And you're gonna do about 1/4 cup of oil to 1/2 cup, depending on how much salsa you want to make. Once our oil is warm, we're going to toss in our onion. We're going to mix it up a bit. Next, we're going to add our garlic cloves. Now we're going to add all our jalapenos. Now, as I mentioned before, these are all for my plant, so I have different chilies that I'm adding with the serranos. However, for those of you that don't have chili plants, you just go to the grocery store and buy about 6 jalapenos. They shouldn't be that spicy, but if you want added spice, then add 1 to 2 serranos. Serranos tend to be on the spicier side. So what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna lightly saute this until the onion is nice and soft and translucent, and then we're gonna get ready to blend it. So this should take about 5 minutes. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes, and as you can see, the onion is it's nice and soft, and it's almost translucent. So this is what you want, and you want your jalapenos to be just slightly blistered. You don't want to overcook the garlic either. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and blend it in my little Nutri Ninja cup. So I'm going to add everything, including the oil, into my cup. If you don't have this cup, obviously you can use a regular blender. Now for our last ingredient, chicken bouillon. And I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons. You can always add more after you try it. So now we're gonna cover it up and put it on our blender. Once we finish blending, we're going to go ahead and open it. Now be careful, if you are using this cup, it will be hot. So if you're using a regular blender, you're fine because of the handle, but it will be a little warm. So just be careful. I'm using a little grip thing. So what you want to do now is just give it a taste. Make sure it's good on salt, and for me, it's perfect. At this point, this is when you can either add more spice. If you do need more spice, you're going to have to fry a couple more chilies, but otherwise, salt-wise, it's perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and put it in a nice little mason jar. It looks so creamy. It tastes so good. It's so flavorful. It honestly looks like it might even have avocado, but no avocado in here. Although I'm sure you can add some and it would probably still be amazing. A little quick tip when cleaning my blender after I've made salsa, I like to put some soap and water and blend it again, just to get rid of most of the taste. Then after that, I go ahead and wash it. Alright guys, and there you guys have it. This delicious and creamy jalapeno salsa. So good, only 5 ingredients. I hope you guys give it a try. I can't even begin to tell you how savory this is. Like, my mouth is still watering from how delicious it is. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.